Okay, quick video. I'm in Johannesburg at the moment. I am here for a conference that I have to photograph and capture videos of the event. So I need to basically capture the panel discussion, do some interviews, and there was something else that I also had to grab. But it's basically the camera is going to be on a tripod and it's going to record technically the whole event. So for those type of events, I have to pack a certain way, especially for traveling, because I can't lug around all my big gear, because I just want to get onto the plane, get off the plane, have enough clothes with me and all that kind of stuff. So for tomorrow, let's start off with this as the main camera. This is, just put that on there, this is the Canon XF405, and this is going to be, this is going to be the main camera that's going to be on the tripod, and it will basically capture the whole event. And I'll get audio to run into the XLR or into my external Zoom recorder, which I might prefer. And then when I need to do interviews, I can grab it off the tripod, do some pop-up interviews with the people and be able to capture footage like that. Then my second go-to camera is this, the Sony FX2, paired with the Sigma 50mm 1.4 lens on here. This is my go-to for photos and for nice B-roll video shots, which is great. So when I take a photo, I'll also just start recording some B-roll video. And then paired with that is this Sony 85-1.8 lens. This thing is great for portrait, and it's also great to take photos of people while they're sitting at the table, so you don't intrude on their space. And then for nice environmental portraits and establishing shots and all of that, I have this lens, the Tamron 17-28 f2.8 lens. Also very nice sharp lens, which is great for establishing shots and funky shots, even for when they dish up food or anything like that, or big tables. Then I can take a nice wide shot of everyone. Then if there's the panel discussion, I need to get closer with some videos or photos, I use this lens, the Sony 70-200, only an f4, but it's still pretty good. It's pretty sharp, not so great in low light, but I mean, Sony and their low light is the best. Then obviously I have a power bank for whatever, spare batteries, extra memory cards, this camera for BTS. What else did I put in here? ND filters if I need ND filters, the AC plug for the Canon if I need to plug it in, which I probably will need to, but anyway, I've got that plugged, got it in. And then for pop-up interviews, I've got the DJI mics minis, the mic minis. And then I've got this little adapter, so it's an aux to XLR, and that will go straight into my XF405 camera, into the XLR port, so that when I do pop-up interviews, it's much easier to get proper sound. And then in my rolly bag, I just basically have my little traveling tripod and a Manfrotto video head, and that's it. That's what I travel with. Oh yeah, and then my Godox flash is in there as well, because I like using flash for photos. And that's it. That's what I travel with. And then obviously I have an outfit for the day that I will use and then travel back in as well. So that's it.